COTI Earn is a seasonal rewards program where users can interact with contracts, hold coins, and engage on social media to earn token points, redeemable for actual COTI at the end of the season. Token points, TPs, are minted every 24 hours and sent to your wallet. At the end of Season 1, called Genesis, you will be able to convert your token points for a proportional share of 12.5 million COTI available from the rewards pool. The exact ratio of token points to COTI will fluctuate based on the number of token points earned by all users, and this video will be a breakdown on how to earn token points, how to convert them to COTI, and what the COTI Foundation estimates the APY of certain strategies will be based on the kind of activity you engage in on the COTI network. COTI is an acronym, which stands for Currency of the Internet, and COTI version 2 is the Layer 2 EVM-compatible blockchain, which also uses its version of COTI as the gas token, with a built-in privacy feature called Garbled Circuits. And for an in-depth look at how the Garbled Circuit protocol enables this privacy layer, you can check out the COTI whitepaper. To begin earning token points, you will need an EVM wallet, so MetaMask works just fine. Syncing your wallet to follow on X, Telegram, Discord, and YouTube will give you a bunch of free token points. So we're taking a short quiz about the COTI ecosystem, but daily token points are only awarded by actually having assets on the COTI blockchain. And the fastest way to earn token points on the COTI blockchain is by creating strategies using these assets on DeFi protocols like CarbonDeFi. Users can earn token points by creating customizable strategies on CarbonDeFi with the following tokens: USDC, Wrapped ETH, Wrapped Bitcoin, COTI, and GCOTI, which is the COTI governance token. To get assets on the COTI blockchain, you can use the Hyperlane Nexus bridge, or a centralized exchange like Kraken. Let's take a look at a few different strategies which are all earning token points. This is a concentrated liquidity position which provides COTI and GCOTI. This strategy earns token points for both the COTI and the GCOTI on each side of the strategy. And if you want to duplicate this strategy using the same ranges and percentages, you can click in the upper right and hit Duplicate, where you will be prompted to choose if you want to recreate the strategy exactly or to undercut the percentages on the strategy. Recreating the strategy outright is one option, but by undercutting a strategy, you will be prioritized by traders for better routing. So the fees you earn will be slightly smaller per trade, but the lower fees will result in more volume. Each trader on CarbonDeFi gets to prioritize this in their own way. This is a constant balancing act between maximizing volume on your strategy and maximizing the spread. The total value of this strategy was less than $1,000. But these rules apply to every strategy, regardless of their size. Here's a strategy worth over $50,000 in COTI and GCOTI. I can click on this strategy to view its parameters, and I can even choose to duplicate it. This strategy is constant product, and it trades on a range which is unbounded. Strategies on CarbonDeFi that make use of COTI, GCOTI, USDC, Wrapped Bitcoin, or Wrapped ETH will all earn token points every 24 hours. It's worth noting that these token points are not minted every minute, but instead are minted daily. So if you create a strategy with one of these token pairs on CarbonDeFi, don't expect to see any token points sent to your wallet for at least 24 hours. But do know that they are being tracked. After you get your token points, you cannot claim them until the season ends. At the time of recording, it is October 6th, 2025, and the first season, Genesis, ends in 35 days. The exact rate that you earn token points is determined by two things: what asset you hold and what you are doing with it. Every $100 worth of COTI or GCOTI deposited to the official COTI treasury only earns you 20 token points per day. Depositing these same assets, COTI and GCOTI, into a strategy on CarbonDeFi will earn you 30 points instead of 20 per day. Depositing Wrapped ETH into a strategy on CarbonDeFi will earn you 70 points a day per $100. Wrapped Bitcoin will get you 80 points a day per $100, and USDC will get you 100 points a day per $100 when it is placed in a strategy on CarbonDeFi. The COTI Foundation has put out an article on Medium where they project the APY of various assets based on the strategy used with that token. In this article, they describe 4 scenarios as follows: the passive holder, the engaged participant, the committed COTI holder, and the explorer of missions. We're talking about creating strategies on CarbonDeFi using selected assets. which is Scenario 2, the engaged participant. The COTI Foundation says, for users who choose to connect their assets into integrated dApps such as Privex or CarbonDeFi, the estimated potential returns may rise under the same assumptions to nearly 90% APY. This path demonstrates how active interaction with the ecosystem can unlock higher earning opportunities compared to passive holding. The article also says that in this data, the APY figures are for explanatory purposes and do not represent guaranteed outcomes. For an in-depth guide on how to create strategies on CarbonDeFi on the COTI blockchain, check out this video.